Tickle him, Rye. Rye, tickle him. Well, don't hit his face. You gotta tickle his armpit. Stay in the cart, honey. Because there's cars. Look, Wesley's looking for you. He's trying to climb out to get you.